Everyone thinks butter chicken gets its flavor from butter, but actually it's the milk fat that does the magic. Milk fat comes in three forms: butter, ghee, and fresh cream. 100 grams of butter has 80 grams of fat, ghee is pure fat, and fresh cream has just 25 grams of fat. So technically you don't need butter to make your butter chicken creamy, you just need right kind of milk fat. So today we are making better butter chicken that's low in calorie and high in protein. Start by cutting 250 grams of chicken breast into cubes. Then we'll do a tandoori style marination in 2 tablespoons of hung curd or thick yogurt and half a tablespoon of mustard oil along with these spices. Once marinated, bake the chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes until it's perfectly cooked and slightly charred on the edges. For the gravy, we'll need 2 medium tomatoes, 1 onion, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and a few whole spices, and season it with these spices. Add 125 ml of water, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Remove the bay leaf and let it cool to room temperature. And then transfer it into a jar and blend it into a smooth gravy. Now pour the gravy back into the pan, mix in 40 grams of fresh cream, that's just 10 grams of fat in total. And watch it turn into the classic butter chicken gravy. Once the gravy is ready, add in the baked chicken and coat it well till every piece turns glossy and creamy. And just like that, your better butter chicken is ready. It's so much lighter but still tastes just as rich. You won't believe there is no butter in it. At Achin's Fit Kitchen, I create healthy version of calorie dense food. So if you love food and want to stay fit, hit subscribe and try this better butter chicken today.